Hi, this is Michael, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to change the iHealth PT3 settings between centigrade and Fahrenheit. It's fairly easy, but you do have to follow a couple of guidelines. First of all, press and hold the on-off button for 8 seconds. You'll see the display go on, and after 8 seconds it'll switch to just showing you Fahrenheit and centigrade. Once it's flashing like this, you press it once to get to Fahrenheit, press it again to get to centigrade. If you want centigrade as your unit, then you press and hold for 8 more seconds, and that locks in the setting. Now we have centigrade as our default. Press this once to start it again, and you can see our setting is now to centigrade. If you want to get back to Fahrenheit, wait till the unit shuts off. It takes 8 seconds. The unit will always shut off after 8 seconds of inactivity. And that means if you're in the middle of this process and you haven't made your decision yet, it'll shut off and you have to start all over again. So press and hold for 8 seconds. Now we're going to switch the units of measurement to Fahrenheit. Press and hold for 8 seconds. Turn it on again, and our setting has been changed to Fahrenheit. That's it. Hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.